Okay, today we're out looking at a smart meter attached to the gas service using an HF59B to record this, and I just want to see how active it is. Hopefully we can get it to transmit as we're standing here. It did right before I turned on the camera, so we're 28, or we're about a minute into it. There we go. Alright, so it clipped my meter. I'm going to take it up to max setting. We're now measuring in microwatts per square, milliwatts per square meter. We're somewhat close, but you know, this could be outside somebody's bedroom wall. Alright, there we go. So we'll go back and we'll look at, I've recorded this, and I'll try to post that graph online. I've been recording for over 20 minutes. Hope you enjoyed the video. This is what the meter looks like. Hope you enjoyed the video. Have a great day.